Hello everyone, welcome to my English podcast. I'm your host, and today we are going to talk about an interesting topic. We're going to talk about a part of leadership. Leadership is about influence, not position. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever followed someone not because you had to, but because you wanted to? That's the leadership. A few years ago, I saw a student. He had no title, no authority, but whenever there was a problem, everyone looked at him. Why? Because he listened, he cared, and he acted. Leadership isn't about being in charge, it's about taking care of those in your charge. True leaders don't demand respect, but they earn it. They don't create more followers, but they create more leaders. In today's world, we don't need more followers. We don't need more bosses. We need some leaders who inspire, who uplift, who dare to make a difference. So remember, leadership isn't a position you get, it's a responsibility you live. Thank you. Thank you for listening this episode. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to share it with your friends.